Nikhil here, back with a new video. So today we will be making a ninja star with 2 pieces of paper, and then I'm gonna make another video about how to make a ninja star with 1 piece of paper. So I'm gonna set up the camera right here, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a ninja star. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Peace. It is in the background, but that's okay. Alright, so, oh shoot, my camera almost fell. Alright, so for this video, you will need 2 pieces of paper, alright, and a pair of scissors to make this, alright. So we're going to start off by making both of the papers into square paper, or if you want, you can just buy square paper from Walmart. I don't know how to do that, but yeah. So you make it into square paper by folding it like this, alright, and then gotta cut it out, cut out the, and so, oh shoot, oh my god, my camera always keep on falling, bro. Alright, so we got paper right here. As you can see, it's square, alright, so we're just gonna put that aside and do the next one. Alright, so we got the paper cut, so open this up like this. It should look like this, alright? And then the left one, you twist it so that it is going from the left corner to the right corner, bottom right corner, and then the other paper will go from the bottom left corner to the top right corner, alright? So then after that, you fold it in half, like so. I'm on TV, guys. Fold it in half. Do the same to the other paper. Try to get the good folds here. Alright, then you open it back up, and then you can take whatever side you want, and I'm gonna do the top side, and take it into the middle crease that you just made. And then you just make another crease. Alright. Do the same thing to the bottom. Then you fold it in half, and then do this to the other paper. It doesn't have to be perfect, see, I'm not perfect. Fold the other paper and I'll see you guys. Alright, so you got the 2 papers like this. I'm going to show you just in case if you skip this far. Alright, so you have a paper, right? You got to fold it in half, unfold it, fold the top to the middle, same thing with the bottom, and then fold it in half just like that, alright? Now, we're going to take this and fold it in half like that. Like that, alright? And then we will unfold it. And then do the same thing with the other paper. Alright, then unfold it. And then as you can see here, it shows that alright, so you see this line right here, you see that little line right there? You gotta fold the right flap of your left paper up into like that. And then same thing with the bottom and the other side. Alright, leave that. And then on this side, the line's on the left side right here, right? And you follow that line and then put the left flap up. Alright, and then the other one down. Alright. Then it should look like this. You flip it over, it'll look like this. Alright. Now you take it like this, fold, make it look sort of, oh wait, no, not like that, not like that, not like that, not like that, I messed up. Alright, take it, fold it the other way, so it has to look like a zigzag, you know what I'm saying? It has to look, it has to look like this when it's done, alright? Then you fold it like this. I'll put that aside and work on the other one. So this was do that, get that out of here. And then we do this one right here, like so. And then this one, like so. Right? Now we have those here. Like so. Hold like this, right? Then we open it back up, and then we take this, and we go like that, alright? Then we take the flap, put it, tuck it into this right here. See it? And then we take the other flap and tuck it into the other side. We have that. Now we flip it over. Do this. Alright. This, and then once we get lined up, you will have uninstalled. There you go, that's your finished product. And no, it is not the same one, there are two different ones, as you can see. Alright,
when the water came up in the house and we got out, it was probably almost up to past our ankles. And time to go, we got the dogs out.
Alright, I have two different ones right here. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. I'm gonna go record another video, how to make a Ninja Star, a mini Ninja Star with only one piece of paper. Or you could actually make two Ninja Stars, small ones, with one piece of paper. I'll show you that in the next video, so stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you'll know when I post this video. And like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Now I have to go edit this. Like right there. Alright. Peace.